Hello friends, welcome to Hotspan Kitchen. Today I am going to make green peas cutlet. This is fresh mutton. I am going to take some curry leaves, 2 green chilies and a piece of ginger. Let us grind this coarsely. Ground this coarsely. Let us put the ground butter into this bowl. Into this, let us add cooked potatoes. Let us grate this so that there are no lumps. Along with this, let us add, this is poha soaked in water and drained out the water. This is a good binder. Quarter spoon of turmeric, half spoon of chili powder, some coriander leaves, and salt. Let us mix this together. Let us add some lemon juice. Let us taste this. Salt is less. And set aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Let me grease the hand with oil. Make vadas of this. All the vadas. I have taken 2 teaspoons of corn flour, adding some water and making a slurry, corn flour slurry. In the corn flour, make cutlets of this. I have made all the cutlets. Now we'll have to deep fry this. Let us deep fry the cutlet. Fry these cutlets until it is let us take this out. It is crispy from both the sides. Keep this in tissue paper. Let us put the next lot. Friends, this is the green peas cutlet that I have made today. Have with tomato ketchup. Friends, if you all have liked my recipe, please like, share and comment. And also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Stay fit, stay healthy, and I'll meet you with another video very soon. Thank you so much.